Queens, we are here today at Fajara Waterfront Beach Property. We're going to be touring with Edward, right Edward? A 3-bedroom ensuite. This part is an apartment that we're on, so let's go and see.
So guys, yeah, I really love this outlook of the beach. It's very nice from here. And Jody, what do you think about this terrace though?
Yes, it's a lovely terrace. I mean, overlooking the Atlantic Ocean. It's a perfect view, you know. Even if you don't want to be on a terrace and you're in the master bedroom there, you can see straight over there. You can see straight out from the living room as well, which we'll be entering on to my left at this moment.
That is cool.
Yeah.
So this is a slide door.
Yes, this is.
Oh, it's very nice.
And the beauty with this slide door is that it has mesh.
Yeah.
So if you want to leave it open, you can just pull in the mesh to prevent anything from coming inside.
Hey, I love that there.
Yes.
Okay, so let's talk about this living room. What do you think?
We're here at the living quarters, and as you can see, it's furnished already with sofas, side tables, what they call is that the entertainment center, and these big glass windows. I really appreciate them because you are able to open up your space to the natural light and the fresh air and the breeze from the Atlantic Ocean.
With this, you don't even need fan or AC, you just need to open your window.
You just need to open the windows.
Exactly.
Of course. Absolutely.
What I love this huge space though is that there's a lot more stuff that I would put here, like to make it work.
Where I'm standing right now could be fitted out as a dining area. As you can see from where I'm standing, you can see the kitchen behind, so you can look from the living quarters into the kitchen, and this open space right here would be perfect for a dining table.
That is also true. I like this artwork, the roundhouse.
It is beautiful.
It have a village vibes, as you said. Like there's somewhere in the Gambia like this, I'm sure.
Sure, and it's by the river, as you can tell.
Yeah.
Like this
by the sea. Yeah. So you mentioned the kitchen area recently.
So as you can see right here is a nice open kitchen concept. Let me go behind the counter so you get a better view. It's fully fitted out with cupboards. This here is a vent for the stove. As you can tell, this is a stove where you do your cooking. Looking on, oh my gosh, it's nice to be cooking and looking out there on the ocean. It's beautiful. And washing your dishes right here, you know. So guys, as we were saying, this property is for rent or for sale, and so if you purchase it for sale, if you buy it, you can also rent it out as well. So
that would be good money maker, investment property right here.
That's right, AP. To my right is the pantry area.
Okay.
Yeah, so you can, like here, but you can store stuff in this section.
Are those the water heater?
Water heater, yes, absolutely.
Okay, that's cool.
Alright. Let's go.
Okay, let's go to rooms.
Alright, well, before we go to the room, this is where we would have entered from, but we just love the terrace, and that's where we started from. So upon entering the apartment,
the doors are huge. I'm like,
yes, it's a massive door, and I like that the roof is high as well.
That is also true.
Yeah. So now this is on the ground floor. So as you enter in, you can see straight in. You're gonna be seeing the guest bathroom right here.
Okay, so nobody don't come into my room to use the bathroom. There's your bathroom right here. Thank you very much.
Alright, so this is for the guests. And remember we said it's a 3-bedroom ensuite. So that means every bedroom has its own
bathroom.
That's right, follow me. To my left is the first bedroom.
Okay.
You can enter straight in to the where the bed is, or you can take the left.
This floating face basin right here.
Right.
It's very nice.
Absolutely. And I do love the tiles
Mm-hmm.
that are fitted out here.
Mm-hmm.
It just brings that modern but, you know, clean. What you call
Yeah,
that vibe?
have a luxury type
Yeah,
thing
it
on
have
one
a
thing.
luxury type feel to it.
Mm-hmm.
You know. So,
Let's go.
all right. So we are walking through. This is still the bathroom, guys.
It's still. Wait.
So this is where the toilet is.
What?
And this is where you can take a shower.
All right.
Yeah.
I really like this shower, by the way. Hey, look.
Alright, this is
The
good for
shower
married
head.
couples, don't?
Yeah, the shower head is like way up in the sky somehow.
Yes, and then ta-da! So earlier we mentioned, guys, that this is a for sale or for rent. This apartment is for sale or for rent, right? So the furnitures do come with it if it's for rent, but if it's for sale, then you'll have to purchase the furniture separately.
If you want them.
If you require them.
But for a person who like to decorate, hey, they can do a lot with this.
I also love that each room has this open concept to it in terms of the windows and the glass slide doors, because then you still allow for fresh air to come in, natural lighting, all of that, right?
That is also true. Well,
So this is the first bedroom. Now we're walking to the walk-in closets.
yeah, this closet area is nice.
Right.
Mm-hmm.
So we exited where we started.
Mm-hmm.
Let's go now to the second bedroom. We're walking through the closet area.
Mm-hmm.
And then we walk straight into the bedroom.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
very nice.
And the bedroom also has that big sliding door, so you can open up your curtains, let in the natural lights, you know, probably save on your nawek, right?
I like that.
And just allow for fresh air. And it also has that mosquito net thing,
On
so
the window.
even if you want to leave the doors open, you can still prevent insects and stuff from coming in.
Speaking of that, every room have an AC as well, so
Right.
extra cool.
Every room has its own AC, as well as the drive-in, guys. We'll talk about that later, but for now, let us finish the tour of this bedroom.
Here's
So
another
here is where you have this floating cupboard,
mhm.
face basin, where you would wash your hands, get yourselves all mixed up. Yeah, and you can have shower right here.
What do you think about the shower being like literally next to the bedroom?
Yeah, I don't mind it. It's cool,
Mhm.
you know, especially for married couples. Yeah. But
Okay.
anyways, I love. Whew, this feels like stone. I love this.
You
it
love
has
that?
that stone, that rough stone feel.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a tile, but it has that rough stone feel that gives you, you know, like when you see the waterfalls,
Mm-hmm.
or those areas. This is nice. And this corner is for the toilet.
Okay. Oh, I thought there was like an exit now. Like, okay, you're gonna go out.
But you make sure to keep the curtains closed if you don't want anybody peeping in on you.
Hey,
Yeah.
take that one down.
Let's go to the master.
Wait, this wasn't the master bedroom?
No, this was not the master bedroom.
What are you
This was
saying?
just the second bedroom. Now, at the end of the, what do you call this now? The walkway or the entryway is kind of like a laundry area, you could call it. It's fitted out with a washing machine, your clothes hanger. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So I think this controls the water,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, electricity, stuff like that. So perfect. Now on for the next one to my left.
Okay.
Where do we go first? That way or that way?
Let's start here.
Let's start here. I like that. Wow, what a big space.
Huge.
Huge space. Toilets.
Mm-hmm.
Floating face basin again. Hi. If you don't.
Yes, I know.
And for the shower.
Huge shower, by the way.
Huge shower.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh. Do you like the en-suites better than just the regular?
To me, I like this one because of what I can see outside from my bed here. I can just
Yeah.
lay
See,
down
that's what I was telling them.
and look outside.
Just have a look. And you're seeing all that beauty over there.
Mm-hmm.
Whew, I feel so relaxed already. Maybe we should take this one. What do you
Maybe.
think?
Let's stay here for forever. But I like this view though. Like I can stay from my bed and I can just look out and I can see all of that nice view there. Yeah.
And remember we were talking about opening up this yeah.
So you can open it.
Yes, icon. Alright.
Oh, here to see.
We
Wow.
are back once again on the
Where you
back
started.
terrace where we started. Hi Edward. How are you? You're enjoying the view?
Yep.
I'm enjoying it myself here. Wow. This is awesome.
Mm-hmm.
I think anyone who takes this property, whether it's for rent or sale, would enjoy staying here.
So let me ask you, what do you think about the income earning potential of this property? Because that's something that they say
Yeah.
you can use it for, like.
Right. I mean, based on what you were gonna pay, you know, you're gonna own it for life once you buy it. So you can always rent it out at your convenient price, and I do believe there will be some profit that you can see.
Yeah, so I'm getting to understand that this place is basically in the middle of everything that you need to have access to in Gambia. Places like Kariba, you know, Bakau where the stadium is, Senegambia, and you have easy access to the beach really. You can just go down there from here.
Right.
Anytime, any day, 24-hour security as you
That's
said.
right.
Common cleaning.
Common ground cleaning, yeah.
I mean, if you have your food and you stock up, you're basically good to go. If you want to get away, this is the place for rent or for sale.
I believe so too.
I really like how you enjoy yourself though.
I feel at home already.
Yeah?
Like it's my property.
So guys, we will put the information inside the description so that you can contact if you're interested in this property.
That's right.
So Jody, anything you want to, final words that you want to leave before we go?
Final words. This beautiful property here is something that you don't want to miss.
Yeah, why?
Purchasing or renting.
Yeah.
You know, because I believe it has a lot to offer you in terms of peace and tranquility.
Very so.
Plus an income
Very
earner
much
for those
so.
who purchase.
Mm-hmm.
And it's just, you're safe
Mm-hmm.
in an environment like this. You don't have to worry about burglar stuff, and you understand what I mean.
That is true.
You know, so guys, what are you waiting for?
What are you waiting
Consider
for?
this property.
I mean,
Yeah.
this view that, look at this one. This is
Oh
what
my
she's
God.
seen. Yeah. Alright guys, till the next video. You don't know how we do it.
Yeah, feet on the ground, working and letting it work.
Alright.